Alright, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming to this channel, consider subscribing, turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever I post video. So as you can see, our channel is still not progressing, so I do appreciate if you help share my videos to your friends so that we can hit 1K subscribe before this year runs out. So, and I promise I will be adding some values to my videos so that you enjoy watching it. So without wasting time, let's get straight to the video. So first of all, here we'll go to this icon down below where we'll go to our gallery and change the background we are working with. So we will now click on this from gallery, just allow it to open. Then I will now go to where the background I'm working with is located, and probably I should find the background on my Facebook menu. So let me open it. See the background here. This video is very simple and cool, so I will just calm down and teach you how to do it. So you see this background now, it has the size of 312 by 162. So, and that is not the size I'm working with. The first thing you will now do is come to this down place here. You see this box here, this box I'm touching now, 1.1 ratio. So I've touched the box now, and the thing has selected. It's now a complete box. So what next to do is to click on the OK here, and this pops up. So next thing to do is to delete this new text. We don't like it. We have to create another one. But first of all, we create a shape. Or better still, let's delete this thing and use Bezier to undo it. So I think this is cool. What we do now is just to increase the stroke wide of this thing, then change the color of this to white. That's it. Then just see what I will do now. This is just how I do that thing on that design. This is it. Just be dragging this thing till you get what you want. Okay. Okay, see what we'll do here. We'll go and max this shape. Okay. Just wash. Okay, let's go with this shape here. Let's create this thing easily with this shape. Just drop this thing here. If you want to mask a shape, make sure the thing is on the center. This shape is on the center so that you will be seeing what you are masking. So now we just go to mask. You use mask for this thing. Enable this masking, this thing. We have enabled it out. So this is it. This is it. So just click OK here. Drag this thing a little bit here. Edit this masking a little bit. Okay. This is cool. Now the next thing you will now do is to go to gallery and import the picture we will be working with here. I think we'll go to removebg.com. That's where the image is located. So we'll now just open the image this way. Bring this thing down here. First of all, increase this thing a little bit somehow here. It's cool. Then lock these two images so that it will not move. Now the next thing now is to import the text we will be working with. Let's insert the text. The first thing here is happy. We'll use the same text for this. Use the same text for this. Keep this happy here. Then you bold it before copying. Click on bold. Change the font. The name of the font you are working with is Disclaimer Plain. I will still show you the font again. Okay, this thing is on bold. You don't need it, so it doesn't work well with bold. This thing, we just need a text that does not have bold text, so we just create another one. Happy. So now let's go to that font and select it. You see how cool the font is. The name of the font is Disclaimer Plain. You see I've touched it and it has opened. You see the font here. It's cool. Yeah. Now keep it here. Then copy this thing again. Drop it here. Edit this thing here. Then let's put in mothers. Yeah, it's okay like this. Then the color of this mothers should be yellow. That's the color I used. I think we need to create another yellow. That yellow has moved away, so bring this thing down here. Okay, it's cool. So increase this text to the highest here. 100. Okay, 300 is this highest size here. It's cool. Then copy again. Okay, delete this one. Use this white color and copy. Bring it down here. Edit this thing also. Sunday. Capitalize this thing for importing it. Okay. Just this way. Click OK. Bring this thing up. I think we have to reduce this thing a little bit here. Okay. Now see what I want to do with my guideline. Because it's cool to work with guideline. So see the guideline now. I want to make use of guideline. I've touched the guideline here, and the guideline has been activated. So when you want to move those lines here, just click on this place here. I've touched this place, and this thing comes up. So over here we have the vertical plus and the horizontal plus here. We also have the vertical X and the horizontal X also. So the vertical plus is, just see, I will touch the vertical plus. You see the one that activated here. I will start moving it. That's the work of this thing. We now move it over here. The work is to, now I've selected the one I want to make use of. You now touch this thing again, it will go back to its normal this thing. So you now drop this thing here. Okay, you can use your position tool to do that. And now just move it so that the thing will go on a straight line. It's cool. You see, the lines are well centralized this side. So I think this Sunday I put a reflection on it. Touch this reflection here. You see, this is cool. The offset should be 1. Click OK. Then the last thing to do here is to put in this text here. Put in this text here. Then bring this thing down here. Down here. Now change this to black. Then go and bold this text here. Bold it. Let's check whether this black is the darker one. See the darker black here. I've selected the darker black here, and that's cool. So let's bring down this happy a little bit. Bring it down, down, down. It's cool. Remember, I told you that the name of this font is Disclaimer Plain. You can go to your dafont.com and check it. So this is the end of this video. So if you find this video interesting, just like I said earlier, do well to share with your friends. Let's help and grow this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time in my next video.